The absence of meaningful social connections can have profound effects on our health and behaviour. Strong communities are critical as they are an important source of social connection and sense of belonging. Participating in a community bonded by values and goals is an essential ingredient to a fulfilling life.
The impacts of low social connection include poor mental health, community tensions, loss of trust, hopelessness, and disempowerment.
Strong social ties are crucial to physical and mental well-being. They can reduce stress and anxiety and help people thrive.
We will address these issues by building community and creating social connections and support to have more meaningful conversations.
Our project proposes to host a community cook-off at RJ4ALL Community Centre in Southwark, where residents will come together and learn how to cook a nutritious and affordable meal.
Through the universal language of food, our project aims to relaunch the community centre space as a place where open dialogue can thrive, a place where people can deepen their understanding of one another, work together to address challenges, and find the support they need to navigate tough times.